Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Borderlands 4 crashing error, crashing at startup, crashing to desktop, not launching, won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen problem on PC. So let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is to link Steam account to Shift account. So go to this website, link is given in the video description. It is a official Borderlands website. So in Google you can also search Borderlands website and go to the official website of Borderlands. And when you are on this website, then click on this horizontal line and then click on Shift. Now here you can create a new account and link it to Steam, or you can simply log in with the Steam account. Click on this Steam icon. If you have game on Epic, then you have to click on Epic Games. So this is for the Steam user. So click on Steam icon. Now please read this notification before signing in. If you agree, only then click on sign in. So click on sign in. Then enter your details over here. And after entering all the details, click on sign up. And after signing up, your Steam account will be linked to the Shift account. And then you can launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to set up a scaling method to TCR. So if you are able to launch the game, then go to graphic settings and then go to upscaling method and set upscaling method to TCR. And then you can launch the game and check. You can also switch to windowed mode and then check. Third fix is to update Steam or update Borderlands 4 pending updates. Go to Steam, click on Steams and then click on check for Steam client updates. And if there are any updates available, then it will install it. And then you can launch the game and check. Now to update Borderlands 4, go to Steam library and select Borderlands 4. And if you see any updates, then click on update button and then you can launch the game and check. Fourth fix is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Borderlands 4 and select properties. In the launch options, type no startup movies, then close the tab and then you can launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties and in the launch option type -DX12, then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties and in the launch options remove the command from here and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fifth solution is to delete Borderlands 4 config folder. Please take a note, you will lose all saved settings, hence keep the backup of the folder to the desktop first. Now go to C drive, users folder, your username folder, documents folder, my games folder, Borderlands 4 folder and open saved folder. Then right click on config folder and first copy and paste it to desktop first. Then right click on config folder and delete it. Now you can launch the game and check. Sixth solution is to delete Borderlands 4 from documents folder. Please take a note, you will lose all the game progress, hence keep the backup of this folder to the desktop first. Then go to the C drive, users, your username folder, documents folder, my games folder. Right click on Borderlands 4 folder, copy it and paste it to the desktop first. Then right click on Borderlands 4 folder and select delete to delete it. And then launch the game and check. Seventh solution is to run Borderlands 4 as an admin. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Borderlands 4 and click on manage, browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. The path is C drive, program files, x86, Steam apps, common, Borderlands 4 folder. This is the path. Then right click on Borderlands 4 exe file and select run as an administrator and see if that helps or not. If not, then also open Oak Game Binaries Win64 folder. Right click on Borderlands 4 exe file and select properties. Then go to compatibility tab. Then tick mark run this program as an administrator box. Hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check. If that doesn't work, then untick run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 8 is to allow Borderlands 4 through Firewall or antivirus program. So in Windows search for Windows Security and then open it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down, click on Manage Ransomware Protection. Click on Allow an app through control folder access. Click Yes to allow. Then click on Add an allowed app. Then click on Browse all apps. And then browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam apps, common, Borderlands 4 folder. Select Borderlands 4 exe file and click on Open to add it to the list. Again click on Add an allowed app. Then click on Browse all apps and browse to game installation folder, then this time open Oak game folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, then select Borderlands 4 exe file and click open to add it to the list. Now go back. Now click on Firewall and Network Protection, then click on Allow an app through Firewall, then click on Change Settings, then click on Allow another app, then click on Browse, and then browse to C drive, Program Files, x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Borderlands 4 folder, select Borderlands 4 exe file, click open to add it, and after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark. Then again click on Allow another app, then click on Browse and browse to game installation folder, and this time open Oak game folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select Borderlands 4 exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark, then click on OK to save changes, and then you can launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus program such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well, or you can simply turn off your antivirus program for a while, then launch the game and check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 9 is to update graphic card driver. So simply update your graphic card to the latest version and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have AMD card, then go to the AMD website. If you have NVIDIA card, then go to NVIDIA website. If you are having Intel card, then go to the Intel website. Links are provided in the video description. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this website. Now once you are on the NVIDIA website, select your version of graphic card driver over here, then click on find. Now the latest version will be on the top, that is a driver version 581.29. So you have to install this one. So click on view, then click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue, then select custom advanced option, then click on next, then tick mark perform a clean installation box, then click on next, and after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC once and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to roll back graphic card driver. Now if your computer run on NVIDIA GPU, then revert back drivers to version 577.00, and if your computer run on AMD GPU, then revert back drivers to version 25.3.1. So I am showing the example over here. So if your PC run on NVIDIA GPU, then go to this NVIDIA website and select your version of graphic card driver over here, and then click on find. Scroll down, click on view more versions, look for 577.00. So this is the 577.00. You have to download and install it. So you have to download and install it, and after the installation you can check your problem is solved or not. Now if your PC run on AMD GPU, then go to the AMD website, search for your graphic card driver version over here and then click on search. Now depending upon your operating system, expand it and look for 25.3.1 version. So this is the 25.3.1 version. You have to download and install it, and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the taskbar, Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM, and then you can relaunch the game and check. Fix 12 is to disable enable GPU scheduling. So go to Windows settings, then click on system, then click on display, scroll down, then click on graphics, then expand advanced graphics settings, and then hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on, then turn it off, and then you can launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time turn this option on, and after turning on the GPU scheduling, you can launch the game and check. So you have to disable enable the GPU scheduling and check which one work for you. Fix 13 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Borderlands 4 and select properties. Go to the installed files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% of the verification is done, then you can launch the game and check. 14 solution is to display overlay. Disable Steam overlay. Go to your Steam library, right click on Borderlands 4, go to properties, and then turn off enable the Steam overlay while in game. So turn it off. Disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience setting general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps, GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 15 is to update BIOS. If the issue persists, then you should check for your BIOS update. Now you can update the BIOS through your PC or laptop manufacturer official website. Once you update it, launch the game and then check if the issue is resolved or not. 16th solution is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this official Microsoft website. Link is given in video description. Now scroll down. Now download x86 and x64 version. Download both the version and install both the version one by one. So click on x64 first. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Now again click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair. If you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then you can restart your PC once and then launch the game and see if the problem is solved or not. 17th solution is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, click on Windows update on the left side, then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them. Then restart your PC once and then launch the game and check. Now the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall Borderlands 4. Now if none of the solution work for you, then uninstall Borderlands 4 game from your PC, then restart your PC once and reinstall the game. You can install it on SSD and then check. Earlier if you have installed the game on local drive, then this time install in external drive, and if you have installed the game on external drive earlier, then this time install the game in local drive and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you were able to solve the crashing error, crashing at startup, crashing to desktop, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, stuck on loading screen or not loading problem, or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.